Hello, my friends, and welcome to the weekly meditation. I am Pragito Dove from discovermeditation.com, and our meditation this week is make yourself a priority. Closing your eyes now and taking some deep breaths down into the belly and feeling yourself dropping deeper and deeper inside. Allowing now any worries or anxieties in the body and mind to drain away down through the floor and deep down into the earth. And breathe. Breathing in and breathing out. There is no right or wrong way to breathe. This is simply you becoming aware of your own breathing system. And receive. This is an opportunity for you to allow and to receive the blessings that are being showered upon you. Opening your mind, opening your heart, relaxing your body, and receiving. The posture for receiving is having your palms facing upwards. The posture for grounding yourself and connecting to the earth is with the palms facing down. Right now, we are in receiving posture with the palms facing up. And accept what is right now about yourself, about your life, relaxing into the acceptance of this moment now. The present moment is the only reality there is. The future has not happened yet. The past is finished. Be here now. And let the thoughts of the mind pass by. You don't need them right now. Become the witness, the watcher, the observer, and let the thoughts pass by. And drop even deeper down inside as you allow even more layers of tensions to drain away down through the floor and deep down into the earth. Meditation is based on relaxation. And with relaxation, we always start with the body. Feeling your body becoming more soft and at ease. There is nothing to do, simply relaxing receiving, accepting, allowing. And feel yourself becoming more accepting of yourself. Becoming more at ease with yourself. You are divine. You are a divine being in a divine universe. And what you are doing right now by experiencing this meditation is making yourself a priority. Filling up your own well with love, with light, with grace. Make yourself a priority in your life. The more you love yourself, the more you can love others. The more compassion you have for yourself, the more compassion you can have for others. The more acceptance you have of yourself, the more acceptance you can have for others. It all starts with you and your love for yourself. Becoming aware of that now. Embracing yourself in your own heart. Allowing yourself to be imperfectly perfect. You are divine. You are deeply loved by the universe. You have a purpose being here in this body on this earth. The universe doesn't make mistakes. Believe in yourself. Trust yourself. And know in your heart that you are deeply loved. Your essence, your essential essence, is love, joy, wisdom, laughter, trust, courage, and you are here to be everything you are meant to be, everything that is possible for you to be. There are limitless possibilities for you. Trust yourself. Try new things. Never give up on yourself. And a powerful key to being with yourself and loving yourself is being in the present moment. Love resides in the present moment. The mind does not exist in the present moment. Pure, divine love exists in the present moment. So come here now, and come here whenever you remember. Meditation is being in the present moment. Meditation is awareness of what your present moment contains. The thoughts, the emotions, how the body is feeling, and your environment, your situation. And the present moment is very forgiving. The past is gone. Just be here now. Now is what is important. Now and going forward. As you let those thoughts of the mind pass by, and with great compassion for yourself, and accepting yourself right now, and making yourself a priority in your life. It transforms you. And this is how you best serve yourself and serve others. To be absolutely loving and accepting of yourself. What can you do this week that is an act of self-love? At least one thing a day. Maybe sit in the sun for 5 minutes. Maybe go for a walk in nature. Whatever it means to you to love yourself. There are many ways that you can do that, and everybody is different. No comparing, no judging, just simply compassion for yourself and acceptance, and whatever loving yourself and making yourself a priority means to you. So as we come to the end of this meditation for today, you can either continue this on your own or slowly open your eyes and come back into the room you are in. And notice how you feel now. How is the body? How is the mind? How are your feelings? And just notice what you notice. And as always, write your comments, your questions, your sharings in the comments below. And if you are watching the replay, please write replay so I know you are here. And let me know what you are doing to make yourself a priority. Just start with today and take it one day at a time. How can I make myself a priority today? How can I love myself even more today? I'm always grateful to all of you for being here either live or watching the replays and sharing in these meditations. I love you all, and I look forward to seeing you next time.